It's just lagging.
That's right.
Come on. Okay, there we go. So surface area. Still recording, right? Yep. Surface area. It's pretty straightforward if you know area really well. Your surface area is just sum of the area of each of its faces.
Yeah.
So if you have like this particular shape, all you're trying to do to find the surface area is you got to think about how many surfaces does this have? How many faces does it have? Well, it's got 1, 2 at the back, 3, 4 on the top, 5 at the bottom, 6. So your surface area will be broken up into top and bottom, plus left and right, plus front and back.
Yeah.
So your top and bottom, well, what's the area of the top?
40 centimeters squared.
Yeah, so 40 centimeters squared plus 40 centimeters squared. Plus left and right, well, that's just 20 plus 20 plus front and back.
40 squared, 20 squared, and 32 squared.
No, don't do that. That's how you make all those silly mistakes in your exam.
Oh, okay.
Still like, that's it. Not 40 squared. 40 squared would be like, yeah, no. It's
Okay.
not. That's it. 40 plus 40, 20 plus 20, 32 plus 32, and you're done. You could do times by 2 if that's what you wanted to do. 40 times 2, 20 times 2, but not 40 squared. Anyways, then you get an answer. Sounds good?
Yeah, I'll get that.
All right, this one. This one, I've only given you the lengths. I haven't given you the actual area. So what you've got to do is do exactly what I wrote on the top. You've got to find the top and the bottom area, which equals 5 times 10, 50 centimeters squared. Yes?
Yep. Let me just write that down.
What? Yep. Draw that if you can as well.
I don't know how to draw a rectangular prism.
You just draw it like that, and then from that you draw 2 straight lines like that, and then a third one, and then just connect them.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, beautiful.
All right, it's all right. It looks like a cube, whatever. It doesn't matter. All right, are you okay with the top now? Top and bottom, 50?
Yeah.
Times 2, because you got the top and the bottom.
Yeah.
Then you've got left and right. All right, what's the left and right? Well, how big is this bit?
That's 6 centimeters.
6 by
5.
6 by 5, which gives you
30 centimeters squared.
30 centimeters squared times 2, left and right. Plus, what do you have left? So you've done the top and bottom, you've done the left.
Back and front.
That's it. Back and front, front and back. Front is going to be 6 times 10. 6 times 10.
Oh, so 60 times 2. 60.
And then that gives you, plug it into your calculator, 100, 220, 220, yep, plus 60, 280.
280
centimeters.
Oh yeah, it is 280.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. 280 centimeters.
Do you know how you get 280? All right.
Yep.
This one. Surface area.
How do I
Equals.
draw?
Okay. Look, if you're going to draw this, don't forget you're going to have this as a video for you to watch. But if you need to draw it, you're going to draw a triangle like that. Then just go straight up. Go straight up. Just stop it a little bit less. And then keep this parallel. There you go. And then you just go drill it down. Go like that. And there you go. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm writing the measurements. Oh. Okay, yeah.
Okay, so remember, it's got to be all the faces.
Yeah.
So let's do the front and back face first.
Okay.
So front and back. Well, what's the shape of the front?
Rectangle.
No, the front, right here.
Oh, triangle. Triangle.
Triangle. So you got to use your formula for a triangle, which is half times
height.
Get that?
Yep.
So now you know the front and back must be 24 times 2, because the front and the back are the same.
Yeah.
So that's done, and that's done. Now, let's do the bottom. There is no top, right? There's no top there. So let's do the bottom. What would the area of the bottom be?
12 times 6.
And that gives me 72. So that answer, which is 48, plus 72 so far. Are you okay with that?
Yep.
And then again, I like to tick it just so I know it's done. So the bottom's done. Then I've got the left bit. Left. You can't say left and right because they're not the same. So left.
Okay.
Left is going to be 8 times 8 times
12.
8 times 12, correct. 8 times 12, 96. You're going to add that as well. And then we need the right hand side. Right. Right bit. So tick that. Right bit is this.
So wouldn't
What's the area of
that be? Oh, that's 12 times 10.
Good work. And then pretty much your surface area equals that plus that plus that plus that. Plug it all into your calculator, and you're done. So I don't think it doesn't look confusing to you. It seems like you get it. The only part I can see that you're probably struggling with is the fact that you have to actually do multiple lines until you get to your final answer.
Yeah.
And that's probably your best bet, to write it like this, like front and back, bottom, and just do them slowly, slowly until you get to the end.
Okay. 72 plus. $336 millimeters squared.
Can you hear Sebastian?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought he disconnected. All right. You ready for the next one?
Yep.
All right. So the next one, they've already given you the area of each face. All you've got to do now is just find the surface area. So the surface area is front and back. Front and back equals what?
12 centimeters squared.
Times, because you're doing front and
Two.
yeah, so front and back. Done. That's tick. The back one's tick. Then you have this and this and this and this and this side.
Yeah.
You understand? So you got the sides, which would be 11 each one, and there's how many of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Therefore, the total surface area is equal to 79 centimeters squared.
Yeah. Okay.
You're not doing trapeziums. Did you do triangular prisms?
Pretty sure.
Let me read your thing again, Sonia. So what are you going to do? Are they going to give it to you like in your class, and then you got to just print it out and do it? How does this test work?
I'm actually not too sure.
Why are you going to school?
No, I'm not going to school on that day.
Okay.
Yeah, nah. I'm not sure.
Yeah, right prism. So this one is not for you. You're doing only right prisms.
Oh, yeah, okay. It's also
That's
an
what it
open
says.
book exam,
Right
so I
prisms
also
just.
in my book.
Hey, open book. You'll have a video. You get to watch this. All right.
Oh no, we have to be on the video call as well.
Let's do. Can you, oh, okay, fair enough. There you go. All right. Question 2.
Yep.
Do you want to try to do it by yourself first?
What's a surface
Alright.
area of volume?
Yeah, surface area.
Yeah.
So don't forget, just do it in order. Do front and back, left and right, or whatever. You shouldn't get it wrong.
Okay.
Do you want to talk to me? What have you written so far?
I've just drew out the shape, and then I've done front plus back, plus right, and then top plus bottom.
Say that again. Front plus.
Front plus back.
Wait. Front. Yeah.
Left plus right.
Right. Yep.
Top plus bottom.
Okay. Yep. Fair enough.
Okay,
And now you're about to do all your areas.
Yep. So front plus back, that's 234 times 2.
So you did that by doing 26 times 9 times 2. Is that right?
Yep.
Yep. Good. Next one, left and right.
Left and right, so 23 times 9.
And if you look at something, Sebastian, I mean, you're just using all the 3 different cases. Like you're doing 26 times 9, then you did 26 times 23, and that's all you can do. And the only other thing left is 23 times 9.
Oh, yeah.
You're technically doing all 3 cases. Yeah, that's what you're doing. So 26 times 23, 26 times 9, and then 23 times 9. And that's it.
Oh, but I've already used 23.
You've used 23, but you haven't used it with 9. Or when you do use 23, you haven't used it with 26.
I haven't used it with 26 because I'm doing top and bottom now.
Yeah, correct. Top and bottom becomes 23 times 26.
It's 2,078 centimeters squared.
Say it again?
Yeah, I got it. 2,078 centimeters squared.
2,078 centimeters squared is correct. Okay, you feel like you're comfortable with this now?
Yeah.
If you want, like I said, just go through the video and try to answer these 3 or 4 questions, and then you can send them to me and I'll tell you if they're right or wrong. So that's not a problem. This one here, we'll do another triangle one. So pretty much works the same way, except it's just not a, not a rectangle or something. It's a triangle at the front. So all you've got to do is just go to the front and back, which is half times 24 times 18 times 2. So tick, tick. Then you got to do the bottom, which is 24 times 35. Then you've got to do the left, which is 18 times 35. Then you've got to do the right, this bit here, which is obviously going to be 30 times 35.
Yeah.
And then just add it all up. Write that down and let me know when you're ready and we'll start volumes.
I just finished drawing the shape.
Yep, no problem.
I'm starting to work them out now.
Done. Good job.
The answer is 2,952 centimeters squared.
That's it. Good job. All right. And then again, I mean, you can just keep doing them. They're the same thing. There's your base. There's your height of 30. That's times it by 2. This side here would be 28 times 3. The bottom would be 34 times 28. And this bit here would be 16 times 28.
Yeah.
You can pretty much see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Volume. Time to do volume. Oh, yeah, no, cylinder. Surface area of cylinder.
Oh, yeah.
That will be in your exam. The formula is this, so write it down. You write it down?
No, yeah. Doing that now. I was just writing the title.
Yep.
Alright, got that done.
The surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h.
Yep.
You need radius and you need height.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. What's your radius?
5 centimeters.
What's your height?
17 centimeters.
What's the formula?
2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h.
2 pi r squared, r is 5, plus 2 pi, r is 5, height is 17. Put that in exactly as you see it in your calculator, and you should get an answer. Let me know.
The answer is 691.2.
What'd you get?
691.2.
691.2 is correct. All right, and we do it again. You still there?
Yep.